excellent technical skills, reliable products, fast service, trendy scents, moving over customer satisfaction, the core of digital industry and center of IT industry, professional FPCB manufacturer. The corporation with advanced technology and vision based on the company motto, challenge, communication, creation, and critical thinking. Alti Co. Limited. Slimming and miniaturization are required now. Flexible printed circuit boards, FPCBs, have now become the technical skill which is imperatively necessary. FPCBs are the invisible core in technique that is applied to digital electronic products. Alti Co. Limited started a business about FPCBs in 2004 with the idea of moral management, HR priority, quality priority, and transparent management, and has manufactured it since then. It completed business deals with internal and external big companies in 2005 through the advanced technical skills and research. And as it produced keypad 2 million FPCBs per month in 2007, it received attention as a possible company. As it expanded its first factory located in Ansan, Gyeonggi-do, and established the Technical Institute in 2008, it was absorbed in production and research of various FPCBs. It completed the second factory that etching process and LDI equipment were installed in 2012. And as it was moved to the new place of business in 2013, it has continued remarkable development. Alti Co. Limited is recording the fast growth of sales through the excellent technical skills and reliable quality. It met the monthly sales of $2 billion 3 years after it entered the industry. It recorded the annual sales of $36 billion in 2010. It met the annual sales goal of $65 billion in 2011. And it did the annual sales of $156 billion, and it was honored to win the Export Tower of US $5 million in 2012. All the executives and staff members are concentrating on development of original techniques and improvement of quality to achieve the goal of the annual sales of $700 billion in 2000 to win the Alti Co. Limited is the professional FPCB manufacturer which has infinite potentials. Alti Co. Limited is producing the best FPCBs through the excellent technical skills and the high-tech automated process. Single side, double side, multi-layer, rigid flex, and build-up flexible, which are being produced in Alti Co. Limited, are playing the role of core parts of digital instruments. Single side, which is usually used in 3D wiring of small domestic appliances to use bending of the characteristics of FPCBs, or pickup modules of ODD products, are being applied to cell phones and digital cameras. Double-side FPCB, which increases the density of parts, is being applied to camera modules of cell phones, wireless charger WPC of cell phones, strobe of cameras, wireless LAN, VGA cables and touchpad cables of laptops, LCD TVs, powertrain of products for the cars, transmission, headlight, and navigation. And multi-FPCBs are being used in USBs, which connect finders of cameras to data. Multi-FPCB, which is an essential part of minimalizing and high-functionalizing digital services, is being used for the folders to connect main boards and display screens, finger scan, home key, sensor, and it is also being used for camera modules. Build-up Flex FPCB, which produced laser via of Rigid Flex FPCB, Rigid Flex, the complex products that emphasize hardness of rigid and ductility of flexible, are being used in keypads of cell phones, TFT to display images, LCD cables which form high-density circuit as they are installed in LCD, and image graphic cables. And it is producing FPCBs, the core parts of the many products including navigators and tablet PCs, antennas and cable. Alti Co. Limited is producing the best FPCBs through the excellent technical skills and the high-tech automated process. Goes through the design process of FPCBs, which composes specifications to meet products including single-side, double-side, multi-layer, and rigid FPCB. and the drill process, which processes through holes after stacking cut bases by dividing them to 2 to 10 panels. The copper plating process, that conduction of through-hole processing parts, is done by the methods of chemical plating, electroplating, and black hole. Soft etching removes contaminants and stains on the surface of base. Adhesion of dry film, which adhere dry film to base by using heating laminator roll, and the exposure process, which realizes integrated circuit in the facilities by using CAM data without master film. DES melts the dry film part, corrodes the copper foil part that dry film was developed, and removes the electropolymerized dry film. The AOI process checks and corrects FPCBs accurately with VRS or VT. Automatic tack welding and semi-automatic processes match and adhere the connector part to the open point exactly. The hot press matches products whose tack welding is completed to working set, including circuit width, copper foil, thickness, work size, and cover lay, and adhere them to each other by using high temperatures and pressure. The PSR process prevents materials unnecessary from being attached to the surface in surface treatment, and apply ink for solder resistance to PCBs to protect them. The ENIG process plates the copper foil surface of the open parts of cover lay with ENIG, high ductility ENIG, electrolysis TIN, electrolysis soft gold, ENEPIG, direct gold. The marking process enters direction, locations of SMT parts, manufacturer's markers on products by using silkscreen. BBT tests damage of circuits in products and consists of checking electronic reliability of boards. The press process processes products with the methods of knockout, pushback, and piercing by setting press molds. Alti Co. Limited produces the best FPCBs through the original possession skills. As it has the impedance techniques for more detailed product design, it is producing the build-up products with high-level 8 to 10 layers. Alti Co. Limited prepares the quality that customers want and fast systems to finish their orders on time, with making young manpower with spirit and passion the driving force. Alti Co. Limited boasts the differentiated management system. Alti Co. Limited obtained ISO in 2005, and it achieved recognition of the systematic management system through reauthorization of ISO in 2008. It established the Research Center in 2010. It improved confidence by obtaining the InnoBiz and UL certificates, which are awarded with possible future companies with technical competitiveness. As it obtained the Echo Partner Certificate from Samsung Electronics Co. Limited in 2011. It obtained patents including fixed jig method for the manufacture of multiple printed circuit board, high multiple printed circuit board and its manufacturing method, and manufacturing method of Betrieblichkeit printed circuit board, and it became the FPCB manufacturer with reliable technical skills and systems. And as part of the differentiated management system from other companies, it is concentrating on the strict quality control part. Quality mine management, which focuses on stabilizing the field system and grasping causes of failure. Quality data management, which emphasizes the guide to monitor and manage the processes minutely. It is doing its best to manage the quality thoroughly, including systematic training, which focuses on specialization of managers and workers. And it is concentrating on producing products perfectly with reliable equipment. 3D measuring instruments can measure precision of products highly in a short space of time. Metal microscopes can examine 1,000 magnifications. It has measuring instruments with various and exact functions. And it has XRF, which measures and analyzes contents and purity of harmful substances. Through salty spray testers, which test discoloration and oxidation of the surface of plating, thermal shock tests that analyze sudden heating and cooling, and the thermal shock testers, which analyze products by applying constant temperature and humidity to them. Flatness measuring instrument to measure flatness by high pixel and slimness of camera model groups. Reflow for evaluating characteristic of soldering and evaluating thermal resistance of the product. with MIT devices for flexibility test, which is the characteristic of FPCB. It is focusing on studies and analyses for stabilization of quality that customers are satisfied with. Alti Co. Limited is the company with promising vision. Alti Co. Limited is supplying FPCBs in the various fields including touchpad LCD and keypad modules to internal and external leading businesses. And it is concentrating on export by connecting them to the companies in the world, including Tianjin and Tongguan, China, and Hanoi, Vietnam. The company puts customers above other things and cultivates talented persons. As Alti Co. Limited secures the best techniques by clear and ethic management and does its best to produce the perfect quality, it will become the core of the rapidly changing digital era and grow more. Alti Co. Limited, the professional FPCB manufacturer which enters the world, will accomplish a new history through the best products and best service. Remarkable results and history of Alti Co. Limited. The global company has begun already.